So first, I want to give a small introduction about myself. My name is Ram. Nearly, I have 14 plus years of experience in IT industry. In these years of experience, these are all the technologies what I've been working: SQL, MSBI, Microsoft, Power BI, Azure Data Engineering, and Fabric. I have nearly 8 plus years of IT trainings and placement experience. I have. Okay. So far, I have written 3 books: Azure Data Engineering and Power BI books. I have written so far 3 books. You can see that books what we have already published over here as well. Okay, so these are the books I have written on this data engineering as well as this Power BI books over here. So this is our website. Okay, okay. So for every student, whoever is going to joining our e-classes training institution, we are going to give free of cost LMS portal. Okay. So and also we are going to provide the mobile app as well. Okay. We are going to provide the LMS portal. So this is the LMS portal where you can learn all your courses. So all recording videos, class videos, and to join the live sessions, your course will be registered in this LMS portal. You will get access to this LMS portal to your course. And also we are going to give chat option. Always whenever you want to chat with me to ask any questions, if you have any questions, then you can able to use this chat also here. Okay, you can able to use the chat also over here. So this is how we can able to providing for every student when you are practicing after the session. For example, once the class is completed, when you are going to practice, if you want to ask any questions, then definitely you can able to use this chat option in our LMS portal. So through your mobile app also, we are going to give free of cost mobile app as well. So this is my YouTube channel as well. So I'm requesting all of you, please subscribe our YouTube channel also to get daily updates over here. So this is my YouTube channel. So I will share this in your chat as well. Go to meeting chat. Then you guys can able to let me share in the chat. Okay. So please subscribe this channel also, the YouTube channel which we are sharing. You will get daily updates in this YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel. So we have already many subscribers already. Okay. So this is our channel. You will get mostly updates about the data engineering and all those things here. Okay. So this is all my introduction. So from last 10 to 15 years, whatever the experience I have in IT industry and the training experience which I have more than 8 plus years of experience, what kind of background people are trying to learn this data engineering course. So today I'm going to demonstrate data engineering and data analyst course demo session. Okay. This includes both data engineering as well as data analyst course over here. So what I have observed, the people who already working in IT, the people who already working in non-IT, the people who having some career gap, the people who already worked in IT or non-IT earlier, now they have a career gap. So these kind of people, okay, these 4 kind of category people are trying to learn this data engineering course. When they're going to choose any IT skill to upskill, data engineering is the top one course they were identifying. I hope the people who joined today demo session definitely belongs to any of one category. So either you are working already in IT or you are working in non-IT or you don't have any work experience, you just have a career gap like you are preparing for the government exams like a group 1 and the bank exams, or earlier you were working for IT or non-IT, but just from last 1 year or 6 months because of layoffs or whatever the reason, you are not working currently. Okay, you have just a career gap of 1 year. So I want to understand how many people belongs to category 1, how many people belongs to category 2, category 3. Can you guys please ping me in the chart just number? If he belongs to category 1, say number 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Shantosh belongs to category 2, Ravi 2, Channa 1, Siddh 1. What about others? So please ping me the number, then we can understand what kind of background people are trying to learn this course. Saket 2, Naresh 1, Vedant 2. Okay, so what I have observed here, most of the people, okay, most of the people belongs to this category 1 and 2. That means whoever is already working in IT and whoever is working for non IT. So these kind of people are trying to upskill to this data engineering course. These kind of people are trying to upskill to this data engineering course. And also few people belongs to have some career gap. They have some experience in already in IT or non IT. Okay. And one more thing, mostly the people like having around 10 years or 15 years or 5 years. Okay. Those people earlier they were working for Java, .NET, Salesforce, testing, and some other legacy old technologies they were working. Now, also there is one more technology, DBS, SQL DB, Oracle DBA. So these kind of background people currently they don't have any new projects and new positions. That is the reason they should upskill to this data engineering. Okay. Let's, for example, let me take one use case. A person is working in IT from last 10 years. Okay. He is working for IT from last 10 years. So what technology he was working? He is working for the QA testing. From last 10 years, he is working for QA testing. Now he wants to upskill because on the testing he don't have new positions, new projects in his company. So immediately he is trying to upskill to data engineering. So he has already 10 years of experience. Now if he is upskilling to data engineering, how he is going to applying for the jobs? How many years of experience he is going to mention in his resume? So out of 10 years, what I will suggest, I will break down 6 years into QA testing. Okay. The latest 4 years into data engineering, I will suggest. Okay. Here I am suggesting 4 years, right? Generally, minimum how many years of experience we can keep, maximum how many years of experience we can keep on the data engineering. I will recommend minimum 2 years, maximum 5 years. Let's take another profile. A person has already 5 years of experience in IT. Out of these 5 years, after upskilling to data engineering, how many years of experience he is going to mention? He's going to mention, he's going to mention 4 years on the data engineering he can keep. Another, a person has non-IT experience. He has some non-IT experience. In this non-IT experience, how many years of, like for example, he has 7 to 8 years of non-IT experience. Then when he is going to upskilling to data engineering after this course completion, how many years of experience he can keep? He also can put 4 years of experience, whatever the non-IT into IT. Okay. So what is the packages salaries range? Let's, for example, a person who has already 17 lakhs package, he can expect up to maximum 30 lakhs and an average 25 to 30 lakhs in between. A person who has 3 to 5 years of experience, how much package he can expect? The packages range will be in between 15 to 20 lakhs he can expect over here. Okay, so how can we decide which course we are going to learn? Okay, how to decide how to decide which course we need to learn whenever you are going to upskill. Generally, how can we identifying what is the best course? Because there are so many people are upskilling, but they're not choosing the right course over here. So whenever you are going to choose a right course, whenever you are going to choose a right course, there are three parameters you need to consider. Okay, there are three parameters you need to consider over here. So what are those three? Because your success is depends on choosing the right course, right technology to upskill. If you are not choosing a right technology, it's a waste of your time, money. There are many things will be wasted. Okay, as per current industry trends, any technology when you are going to learn, it should belongs to cloud technology. Any technology you are going to choose should belongs to cloud technology. It can be a Azure or AWS or GCP. So this has to belongs to these three technologies, any of one. So choice is yours. Which one is better? Microsoft Azure or AWS or GCP. And the next one is whatever the technology you are going to learn, it should have less impact of AI. So on your technology, artificial intelligence impact should be less. Otherwise, your jobs will be automated. So currently, whatever the data engineering course or data analyst course we are going to choose, the impact of AI is less. The reason because AI also needs some data. AI also needs some data to work properly. So who is going to providing the data? Data engineer. So your course should contain a word data because data is growing every day, day by day. Lot of data is generating everyone in their business or in the personal, even the people who joined today demo session, everyone is generating the data every day. Am I right or wrong? From the morning when you are wake up, you are generating a lot of data over here. You are generating lot of data over here. So there is like a data engineering and data analyst course. We are going to choose it over here. This definitely belongs to cloud. I'm going to choose Microsoft Azure, and the impact of AI is less. And this is the top third technology which is providing more jobs currently worldwide in the IT industry. Okay, right. So after you are going to completion of this course, what I'm going to deliver here. So it is a combination of three things actually. Okay, it is a combination of three things. One is Azure Data Engineering, Microsoft Fabric, Microsoft Power BI. So you will understand going forward what exactly these three, why we need to learn these three technologies. Okay. So after completion of this course, okay, whatever the data engineering and data analyst course, whatever I'm going to choose, whatever I'm going to teach, it it has combination of these three. So you are going to learn these three. You are going to learn these three: data engineering with Azure, Microsoft Fabric, and Microsoft Power BI. After completion of this course, the certification exam what you need to write down is DP 700 certification. The certification exam what you need to write down is DP 700 certification. It's a Microsoft DP 700. So after completion of this course, definitely we are going to applying for the jobs like a 2 to 5 years of experience range. So when you are going to applying for the 2 to 5 years of experience, definitely you need you need to have interview skills and real-time project experience also. Am I right? You should have. So most of the people what they are doing after completion of their training, they are taking the proxy calls, they are taking work supports to handle their works. Okay, so this is not the priority actually. So there is a possibility to crack your interviews yourself and to work on the projects real time, even if you have a even if you have a 4 years of experience, even if you are keeping 4 years of experience, if you are keeping, you can able to crack your interviews. You can able to work on the real time projects as well. You can able to work on the real time projects over here. Okay, right. So there are two programs we are conducting currently. So to crack your interviews yourself, to work on the real time projects yourself without taking works support, without taking any proxy interviews, we are handling two programs. That means the course which we are going to deliver contains two programs. So every student, whoever is enrolling for this data engineering course from our institution, they have to attend these two programs. It's a combination actually. So what exactly this program one? So this program one is offered by every training institution. You can check. If you go to any training institution, it is a common program offered by everyone. So what includes in this program one? This is going to be like 60 hours live sessions Monday to Friday, daily 1 hour, and the class timings is evening 8 p.m. IST. This is the class timing. And every day once the class completed, daily 1 hour class 8 to 9 p.m. Daily class recordings we are providing through this LMS portal, and you will have access to the course for the recordings up to 3 years. You have the access, sample resumes, certification guidance, daily class notes, interview question and answers, end-to-end project. These are all the things we are going to provide as a part of the program one. So for this data engineering, data analysis course, you need some knowledge of Python and SQL as well. Okay. So this also we are going to deliver as a part of this training, the basic Python and SQL concepts. Because in real time, we may not write fully of this Python or SQL, but you need some basic idea about this one. Whatever is needed, I'm going to deliver in this training. If you want advanced level Python SQL, then I'm going to share some self-paced recording videos over here. And also in this course, I'm going to teach PySpark. So this is advanced to the Python. 20 hours I'm going to teach. This is very important. Okay. So this is a program one every institution is offering. Okay. But what we were special? We were special for the program two. So on top of the program one, we are going to have this program two as well. This is a completely real-time program. This will help you placement yourself without taking any proxy calls or interview supports. When this we are going to start? This program is going to start exactly after 3 weeks. Exactly after 3 weeks of the program one starts over here. This program 2, we are going to start exactly after 3 weeks of the program 1 starts. This is going to be 30 to 40 hours, only weekends. Saturday 2 hours, Sunday 2 hours, we are going to take this program. Okay. And what we are going to cover in this program? In a agile methodology, when you are working for a real project, that is a agile methodology. So 9 sprints, we are going to take it over here. So each sprint wise, we are going to create some scenario based tasks. So those tasks you need to work it over here. Those tasks you need to work it over here. See, this is the, so here we created a lot of sprints. Okay. In each sprint, we have tasks. See, this is one task. You need to create it over here. So this task you need to work. We are going to assign this task on your name, and you can start this in progress completed and all those things. So this is how when you are working on the 200 plus tasks, you will get a good experience hands-on. And also this will help you to crack, when you're going to the interview, in interview they will ask you scenario based questions. So most of the people, why they are unable to crack the interviews is they are asking some interviews questions scenario based. So those scenario based questions when they're asking, they're unable to answer that questions. So to cover that things, we are going to use this one. This whatever this 200 plus tasks in the sprint wise agile methodology we are offering, that will help you. And also we are going to provide weekly sprints, weekly tests. Okay. And every week we are going to provide some tests as well. You can able to write down. And inside this, in a agile methodology, two projects we are going to deliver. One project in the Azure and second project in the Fabric environments. Two projects. So we will give you to keep a projects in your resume as well. Okay. And also we are going to do the on top of this interview preparation, like what kind of questions they might ask, how to give the answers and all those things. And we are helping to prepare your resume. Let's, for example, you have already 10 plus years of experience. I'm just taking an example of this number. Okay. This means like only 10 plus years experience people only are going to learn this course. No. So any people who having no experience to 15 years of experience guy also can able to learn. Okay. So we will help you to prepare your resume, and also we are going to conduct the mock interviews as well. So we are going to conduct 3 free sessions today, Monday, Tuesday. Then after it's going to be paid session. If you guys interested, then you can start the enrollment process from the Wednesday onwards. Okay. So this is what like the roadmap what I'm going to deliver it over here. The roadmap what I'm going to deliver it over here. Okay. Now let's try to understand this data engineer and data analyst what exactly he will do. What are the roles and responsibilities of this data engineer and data analyst? Let me take one use case scenario. I have a supermarket. This is supermarket 1. This is supermarket 2. Okay. Here a customer will come to the supermarket. He will buy the product. He will buy the product in the billing counter. Supermarket 1. This is supermarket 2. Supermarket 1 and supermarket 2. So when we are doing a transactions from the supermarket, the transactions data will come and store in the backend database server. You are a customer, you are doing a transaction in the supermarket, that data will come and store in the backend database. It can be a single database or it can be a multiple databases. Now, as a data engineer or a data analyst, what you need to do? What is the expectation of the client? Let's take the supermarkets are like a Walmart supermarkets. The company Walmart. So Walmart management wants to understand about their business, total how much sales happen, last 12 months, what is the sales, and what is the store wise supermarket 1, what is the sales, supermarket 2, what is the sales. They want to do the comparison of these two. They want to do the comparison. So these kind of key reports they want to develop. They want to develop some reports and dashboards, key insights, reports and dashboards, the visualizations, all those things we need to deliver it over here. So this is our end goal actually. We have to develop some key reports to the customer like sales reports, Power BI. I will show you some sample reports over here. Yeah. So this is how we need to develop the reports. This is one report, sales report. Okay. So this is how we need to develop some reports. Now, to design this kind of reports and dashboards, we have to hire a data engineer and a data analyst. The end goal of this project, whatever the business data we have, whatever the business data we have, by using that business data, We need to design these reports and dashboards. Okay. First, a data engineer, what he will do, we have Microsoft Azure cloud environment. Let me show you that Microsoft Azure cloud environment. That means portal.azure.com. So this is a Microsoft Azure cloud environment. Portal.azure.com. HTTPS portal.azure.com. Portal.azure.com. So here we are going to log in portal.azure.com. First, a data engineer, what he will do, inside this Microsoft Azure, inside this Microsoft Azure, this is nothing but www.portal.azure.com. In this cloud, we have one storage account service. Whatever the data, business data we have, that first we need to load into this storage account. Storage account. Okay. So how to move this data into storage account? By using a ETL tool, data factory. Once the data is coming to the storage account, then again we need to move that data into Synapse data warehousing. Synapse data warehousing. So from where we are taking the data from the storage account into Synapse. That time what we are doing? We are doing data transformations, cleaning techniques, all those things we are doing by using Databricks. Okay, there is a storage account, there is a Synapse data warehousing. By using the Databricks, we can able to clean, transform, and we can do the several things over here. Then after whatever the data we have in this Synapse data warehousing, that data we are going to use to design the reports and dashboards. To design the reports and dashboards, we are going to use Power BI. So Power BI is a separate cloud environment we have. Power BI is a separate cloud environment we have. So this is what we are going to develop so far. So let me try to show you. This is for Microsoft Azure cloud environment. This is for Power BI. App.powerbi. This is for app.powerbi.com. Here we are going to design the Power BI reports. I hope you understand. A data engineer role is here to here. This is data engineer role. A data analyst role is designing of the Power BI reports. For data engineering purpose, we are using Azure Cloud Portal. That is the reason we are calling him as a Azure Data Engineer. What he will do? He will develop data factory, Databricks, pipelines to move the data from one place to another place, to clean the data, to transform the data. Many things he will do. Data analyst will design the reports and dashboards and visualizations by using a Power BI. Then what is Fabric actually? Then why we need Fabric? Okay, let me tell you. Fabric is a environment. Fabric is a environment of the existing Power BI only. Okay. Fabric is a existing Power BI environment. So this is Power BI, right? App.powerbi.com. App.powerbi.com. So, one second, guys. Okay. So here, Microsoft company is using for data engineering purpose Azure cloud, this cloud, for Power BI purpose, this cloud. So that means to implement this project, we need two different cloud environments. So many clients are asking Microsoft company, instead of using two different clouds, can we please use only single cloud for a data engineering and data analysis? Yes. So from that day onwards, what Microsoft has done, whatever the data factory, here you can see there is a data factory, whatever the data bricks, data bricks, Azure data bricks, and whatever the storage account software, whatever the Synapse software, mostly whichever is related to data engineering softwares like this data factory, storage account, Databricks, Synapse data warehousing, everything they were implemented inside the Power BI also. In the Power BI cloud also, they are keeping these services. So now the business data will come to Lakehouse. In Azure, we are calling it as a storage account. Here we will call it as a Lakehouse. Nothing difference. There it is a data factory. Here data pipeline. There it is a Synapse data warehousing. Here it is a warehouse. There it is a data bricks. Here it is a notebooks. Now by using this warehousing data, Power BI will connect and designing of the reports. Okay. So this is how we can able to have, see, if you are learning data factory, exact 99% data pipeline also same, nothing difference. Same the storage account, Lakehouse. Same Databricks, notebooks. Same Synapse data warehousing. So in many training institutions, they are offering any of one course only. Either they will teach you only this Azure, either they will teach you only this Fabric. That means earlier it was Power BI, right? This cloud, it is a Power BI earlier. It's nothing but www.app.powerbi.com. www.app.powerbi.com. So whatever this app.powerbi.com, the moment when this data engineering services are included in this Power BI cloud, that means in this Power BI cloud, app.powerbi.com, along with this Power BI, some data engineering services also included. So from that day onwards, we are calling this, it's not a Power BI, it is a Fabric, Microsoft Fabric. So this Microsoft Fabric is a single cloud solution. You can perform data engineering as well as data analysis with Power BI. So if you are learning this Azure data engineering course of data factory, data bricks, storage account, Synapse data warehousing, you don't need to learn separately by putting 100% effort. Just 2 to 3% extra effort if you are putting on this data pipeline. Same data factory, data pipeline same. Storage account, lakehouse same. Databricks notebook same. Synapse data warehousing same. Then we are going to learn Power BI. Inside the Power BI, I'm going to cover complete Power BI desktop and Power BI cloud, DAX calculations, designing of the reports and dashboards, everything I'm going to cover. So that's the reason I'm telling, if you're learning this course from our institution, total three things you are going to learn: Azure Data Engineering, Microsoft Fabric, and Power BI. After completion of this course, you can able to apply for the jobs like a Azure Data Engineer. This is one role you can apply. Fabric developer you can apply. Power BI developer, data engineer, data analyst, and data factory developer, data bricks developer also you can able to apply. So almost 7 to 8 type of positions you can able to apply it over here. 7 to 8 type of positions you can able to apply it over here. I hope everyone able to hear me right so far. Okay. So Ambrish, only you have some mic issue. Okay. So this is all about today demo session. So the course content and everything, our team will share with you what we are going to cover. So the main key highlights in this training is there are two programs we are offering, program 1 and program 2. So we are going to start these regular sessions from this Monday onwards. Use the same meeting link which you have joined today, right? So 8 p.m. IST. Regular sessions timing is from Monday onwards. 8 p.m. IST is the session timing. Okay. Now, if you guys have any questions, you can unmute and you can ask the questions. So, if anybody wants to meet me, I'm in Hyderabad, the office. Just come and you can meet me. Go ahead, the questions.
Hi Ram, Chandra
Hi.
here.
Yeah.
Uh, my background is SAP BODS. Is it suitable for me?
Yeah, definitely. So, BODS is also reporting tool, right?
Yeah, it's a ETL too.
Yeah, ETL tool. See, what is your background? It's not a matter nowadays. If you are trying to find out a course related to your background, it's not the case in the current market. Which is trending in the market, you need to learn that. That's all. Because earlier days we were suffering if we are taking a new technology not related to us. There is nothing in the market, I mean content. But now because of the AI tools, ChatGPT, or a lot of content is available technically to help you. So already you are in a ETL background, it's 100% suitable for you.
Okay, thank you. And is there any like batch in the morning sections? Because my office timings
Morning session, it's
8
already
to
one batch is going on actually at 8 a.m. IST, but this 2 to 3 sessions are completed in that. If you want to, you can continue in that batch, 8 a.m.
8 a.m. Okay. 8 a.m. also it bit difficult for me because my kids is
What time you
getting
are looking?
after 9,
After 9 o'clock.
between
Okay.
2. Yeah, 9 to 2.
Okay, so you just check with this number 7997457228. Just call to her, she will tell you the slot timings. But this batch is new batch, we are going to start from Monday, 8 p.m. only.
Okay, sure. Okay.
So offline classes currently not available, but class will be in online. After class, you guys can come to our institute and you can sit and you can practice here. Next question. Any question from others?
Hello.
Yeah, go ahead, Kant.
Yeah, I'm audible.
Yes.
How long the course duration will be?
Okay. This is going to be more than 2 months.
Okay.
Okay.
So you
So
said there is a batch running on already
morning
started.
8
How
a.m.
many days it's doing?
It's
AM.
just three
Okay.
classes completed. If you guys want,
Okay.
our team will share those recordings of today. Then you can
Okay.
continue from Monday.
Okay.
Just call to that number, this number, 79974572228. She will help you on everything, the point of contact. Yeah, next question. So DP 203 certification currently not available. DP 203 certification means earlier it was related to Azure data engineering, but now everything is Fabric only. Microsoft has stopped the DP 203. Now we need to write DP 700 certification. Next question.
Uh, hi. My name is Basha, sir.
Yeah, go ahead.
Hello. Sir, I have experience in digital marketing. I have more than 6+ years experience in digital marketing and email marketing. Is
Okay.
this training suits for me? Like, I want to switch to from my digital marketing side to
Yeah.
IT side. One of
Yeah,
my
we
friend
will.
has suggested this
I
institution.
understood. We can discuss about your profile in the offline. You
Okay.
can you can call to this number 7997457228.
Okay, sir.
If
Thank you.
anybody wants
Thank
to
you so much.
speak with me personally, call to that number. I will speak with all of you. Okay.
Okay, sir.